More news coming in on how trouble continues to mount for Randeep Surjewala over this comment against Hema Malini. Haryana Women Panel has now summoned him. Haryana Women Commission took note of the statement and has issued a notice to Randeep Surjewala for the 9th of April. So the Haryana Women Commission has summoned Randeep Surjewala for the 9th of April over the misogynist remark that he has made against BJP MP from Mathura, Hema Malini. We've heard from Hema Malini as well. She says, being in the opposition, the opposition is most certainly trying to defame her, trying to stoop low, to indulge in this kind of politics, but that's not going to stop her from campaigning. That's not going to stop her from returning as MP in Mathura. Let me quickly take in a word from Amandeep as well. Amandeep, tell us more about the summons that have now been issued to Randeep Surjewala over the comment. This is by the Haryana Women's Commission, is what we're learning.
Well, absolutely, Crispin. The Haryana Women Commission has taken the cognizance of the statement that was issued on Sunday by Randeep Singh Surjewala with misogyny words used in that public address against Hema Malini. And in fact, now Haryana Women Commission has asked Randeep Singh Surjewala to justify his position and also summoned him to appear before the commission on 9th of April. And Surjewala has to justify his position just because after this statement went in a public and opposition started criticizing the statement, Surjewala says that BJP IT cell has somewhere down the line has tempered the statement. This was not the original statement, it was cut shorted. But the fact is, Crispin, that statement was live on the Facebook page of Sushil Kumar Gupta, who's Aam Aadmi Party candidate from Kurukshetra. He has done live of Randeep Singh Surjewala's public address in which he has mentioned Hema Malini's name as well. But now it is a trouble mounting situation for the Congress as well as for Randeep Surjewala as well. He has to appear before the Haryana Women Commission on 9th of April to justify his position just because Haryana Women Commission has taken the cognizance of this entire episode. And after that, after analyzing the statement, after verifying the authenticity of that
his
statement,
comments or clarification cannot be limited to what he said in the latest and public domain, because so far, while issuing a clarification of sorts, he's come out to in fact turn this around on the BJP. He's reminded the BJP of times when he's also shown respect towards Hema Malini. That's not going to be enough in front of this panel.
Well, absolutely, Crispin. The point is that how Randeep Singh Surjewala can take his words back even when the India Alliance partner, Aam Aadmi Party's candidate himself put that statement on his Facebook page when he was addressing the public in Faran village in Kaithal district. And in fact, that was one of the evidences that can prove that this statement was not tempered, this statement was not edited, it was live, it was on the page of Sushil Kumar Gupta. And the point is, it is how the Randeep Singh Surjewala is going to justify his position on this statement. Though he was putting the
we'll have to wait
BJP,
and watch for what Randeep Surjewala tells the commission on the 9th of April. Stay on with us, Amandeep. Let me quickly take in a word from Sagarika. She's joining us with that notice that's now been issued by the Haryana Women's Commission.
The State Women's Panel has issued this summons to Randeep Singh Surjewala over his comments. And what do they say? They say कि आपको सूचित किया जाता है कि हरियाणा राज्य महिला आयोग राज्य स्तर के वैधानिक सरकारी संस्था है जिसका गठन हरियाणा राज्य महिला आयोग अधिनियम 2012 के तहत किया गया ताकि राज्य की महिलाओं की सुरक्षा और उनके हितों की रक्षा की जा सके। अध्यक्ष हरियाणा राज्य महिला आयोग के आदेश अनुसार आपको सूचित किया जाता है कि विभिन्न न्यूज चैनलों, सोशल मीडिया पर प्रकाशित विषयाधीन खबर पर आयोग ने हरियाणा राज्य महिला आयोग अधिनियम 2012 के तहत प्रदत्त शक्तियों के अंतर्गत स्वयं संज्ञान लिया है, जिसमें आपने हेमा मालिनी कलाकार के लिए अभद्र भाषा व टिप्पणी का प्रयोग किया है, जो कि एक महिला की गरिमा को ठेस पहुंचाने वाला और अशोभनीय है। सो दिस इज व्हाट द स्टेट वुमेन्स कमीशन इज टेलिंग रणदीप सुरजेवाला ओवर दैट कमेंट ऑफ हिज। तदनुसार आपको आदेश दिया जाता है कि आप दिनांक 9/4/2012 दैट इज 9th of April 2024 को प्रातः 10:30 बजे आयोग के कार्यालय आए और अपनी उपस्थिति सुनिश्चित कर उस पर अपना स्पष्टीकरण प्रस्तुत करें. He's been summoned. A date has been given to him, which is 9th of April.
So 4 days from now, Sagarika, he's going to have to appear before the Haryana Women's Commission and offer an explanation on the comment he's made against Hema Malini, the BJP MP from Mathura. Amardeep, thanking you as well for joining us with the latest. We're tracking that and the host of political reactions coming in on this big story very closely. A quick break for now. We'll be right back.